All right, folks, we are walking through how to take a story problem and turn it into a system of equations. So the one thing you have to keep in mind is it's 9 times out of 10 going to be, let me see if I can write on this, info equals total. Info equals total. So the information that they give me within the story problem is going to equal to some total amount. So here's what I mean by this. Toby skated from his house to the beach at a constant speed of 8 kilometers per hour. He then skated from the beach to the park at a constant speed of 7 kilometers per hour. So those two pieces of information would go to the left side of the equation, and I'm still listening for a total. The total distance, oh my gosh, see how math is trying to help us? The total distance he skated was 20. So that means I have a equals 20 for one of my equations, and then I have an 8 plus a 7. But we know that 8 plus 7 doesn't equal 20, so we need to have some variables. And again, 9 times out of 10, when you see that word per, that indicates a variable is taking place, 7 per hour. Do we know how many hours it went? No, we don't. Let's erase this because I don't want to get it too cluttered up here. Okay, so we have our total, we have our info, we just need variables. So what do you think the B is attached to, the 8 or the 7? Exactly correct, kids. The 8 is attached to the B because we're going to the beach at 8 per hour. Same thing, we're going to the park at a rate of 7. Therefore, my, that's a P, by the way. Let me fine tune this. There we go. So one of our equations is going to be 8b plus 7p is equal to 20. I'm going to get out of here and scroll down to see if there's something that's like that. Remember, 8b, 7p. Well, right here, we have 8b, we have 8b, and 7p is equal to 20. This one says 7b and 8p, so I know it can't be this one. The next one is 8b and 7p is equal to 20. And then the last one is another 7b. So right off the bat, I've eliminated 2 potential problems. So now I have a 50-50 shot of getting this thing right. So let's go back up. It says, and it took him twice as long to get to the park. So now below, you need to figure out, based off of what we talked about earlier, who gets the 2 attached to it, the B or the P. Bye!